Hello guys, we're on our way to Starbucks. It's Starbucks Friday. Taylor's requesting it. Then I'm taking my kids to my parents' house. My mom has like a whole bunch of arts and crafts and making cookies and stuff set up for them. So she was like, don't pack them any nice clothes. So I'm like, okay. Cammy's back there. Taylor.
Hi, I'm
Taylor says she's so excited.
because I got a note for you.
And Cam has on big boy underwear, so he's not gonna pee on himself, right?
Yeah.
He don't have on no pamper.
Yeah, that's hard. He don't like that.
Nervous.
Okay?
So
Rah!
that's where we're off to. Y'all, I just dropped my babies off and I'm so sad. It is so cold and it's 7:57. My goodness. Whew. Bye, mommy. All right, back on the road I go. Y'all, I hate like road trips, driving trips. I hate them so much. Look at my babies. They're so excited. So excited. I wish we had another camera because I could have left that with my mom to capture the excitement and the moments they're having together. But next time, maybe next time. Whew. It is cold, cold, cold. Alright, they're off. So I actually met my parents at a gas station. I wasn't feeling well. So my mom was gonna meet me like halfway, but I got halfway and she still wasn't there, so I just kept driving. But they're really close to home. Yeah, it is so cold outside. Like, it's so cold. So cold. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys once I get back home. All right, y'all, we had a memory card issue. Sit, crew. Mommy want to see your coat, okay? Come here. Come here. Crew, come. Sit. So cute. You want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Huh? Let's go for a walk. Crew. Crew. Here. Crew. No. Crew. Hi, baby. Crew. Hi, boo-boo. Hold on. Oh, I done knocked the tree over.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with boots and tick.
I'll take Crew out for a little bit, and I think it's dark almost, so we won't be outside long. Come on, baby. Y'all, this morning he was walking up the stairs and ran into the stair. I was like, oh my gosh, are you okay?
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old
Yeah, I don't have my phone on silent. See, they do out like when I leave the house without my phone. Come on, crew. Mommy gotta get her phone. Alright. Back already. Alright. I don't even know what's in all of these boxes. I need to go through them like now. Yeah, I think I'm about to do that really quick so I can wrap this stuff up. And I can show y'all what we have over here. What are you guys asking for Christmas? Because I didn't ask for anything. Because I don't think I really need anything. I just need to pay off the rest of my student loan debt. And for that to be over and done with. But what I believe I'm gonna do is pay off 2 of my largest loans and then invest in stocks and then pay off, use those or flip those and use that money to pay off my other loans and CJ's student loan, and then we'll be done. What does he have? He's playing with his toys. Okay, let me go get some box cutter so I can open these boxes. Okay, and before I get some questions about the stocks and stuff, like, of course, everything that I know I'm gonna share with you guys, because I definitely believe in sharing the wealth, and I know that especially in our culture, we don't know about stocks and like multiple sources of income and stuff like that as much as other cultures. So I always do my part to teach what I know. And my dad has been telling me for the longest, crew, you need to chill out. My dad has been telling me for the longest to like make additional income, like have multiple sources of income, and then crew, you need to chill out. Y'all, he playing with the brush. And then have the money work for you. Is what I was saying. So have multiple sources of income and then have that money work for you once you start like making a profit and stuff like that. So yeah, I have been like trying to learn and understand this for not that long. I'll probably say like the last 2 months, and I finally believe that I know enough to take the step of faith, because what I notice the most about our people in general, and I always say our culture because I talk to people and that look like me the most, but what I notice the most is that we want to wait until we know and understand everything about everything. We don't want to take risk. We don't want to like fail, and so in us doing that, we end up doing nothing instead of like moving, learning from mistakes that you make, and eventually learning how to do it the right way. So anything that you start is going to be, there's some risk. Anything that you're starting, you're going to fail at until you don't. So I'm at that point where I'm ready to just step out on faith and just give it a go. So notice I didn't say the word try. Give it a try. I hate the word try. Anytime you use that word, you're already setting yourself up for failure. So erase that from your vocabulary. And can y'all hear him? Crew, you need to chill. I felt that for the longest, but then I started like researching it, and there's also like there's like research to back that up. Like the word try sucks. Like just don't say it. Like you can't do well at anything that you're trying, because you're not trying to do well, you're just trying it. Alright, let me see. This has Taylor's name on it. I don't know. Oh, this is from her godmommy. Oh, she's gonna be so excited. I don't know if I can show you guys because I told y'all the kids are at my parents' house, and I don't know if Taylor is watching the vlog while she's away. So Mom, if she's watching the vlog, don't let her see that. Or Dad, don't let her see this. So this is from her. This is from her godmommy. And then she's gonna be so excited about that. I'm gonna have to text her. Cam, and call the dog Cam. Crew, come. What you doing, crazy? The kid's been wanting to open this box for so long because it's blue and it has like colorful words on it. Cam has been bringing me this every day. Like, you got a box, open it. So let me see what this is. It's probably nothing even important. I just didn't want to open the boxes around them, and then it turns out to be a gift. And I'm like, oops, didn't mean to show you that. All right, what is this? Okay, so this is a port for, we got the kid, well, actually we didn't get the kids a week. One of my, is this broke? Oh no, yep. One of my former business partners gifted us a free Wii. She gave us a Wii for free. So I bought a charging station for it so that we don't have to keep buying batteries for the little Wii sticks. We just got the little things that we can charge and plug up. So that's that. This must be from my mother-in-law. I did not know that she had bought them stuff. So jeans for Camden. He wears a 3T even though he's 2, y'all. He's so tall. And then she got him some sweatpants. Yes, a little sweat outfit. Champion. So cute. All right now, crew, you knocking my my base over and stuff. You're wilding. No more jeans for him. These are so cute. They're from the Gap. And then this is for Miss Taylor. It's a little cardigan. Super cute. This is from Target, Cat and Jack brand. Not the brand. The brands really don't matter, y'all, because 1, we don't go nowhere, but 2, I don't care about that stuff. This is also Taylor's. Super cute. It's a little cropped hoodie. She's going to adore this. Look at the colors. That's so cute. And then she's also gonna love this. She loves like cozy clothes. She does not like to feel uncomfortable. So y'all know how like certain sweaters and stuff can have that itchy material in it. She don't play that. She'll be like, so this, super cozy, and it says love. And I'm pretty sure, no, this is from Ross. Wow, this is from Ross, and it's so cute. Ross be having some stuff too. And then she also got Taylor this. It says Mommy's Mini. So cute. And it comes with the scrunchie. And this is also from Ross. So she's gonna love it. Like, she's gonna love this so much. Crew. Crew. Come. Crew, come. And then these. I love these little sweaters on Camden so much. It's gonna be so cute. And then this sweater with the little dinosaur. Look at the little dinosaur. That's so adorable. That. Crew. Come. These are the sweatpants to go with Taylor's top. That is going to be so adorable. I hope she can fit these. These look a little big in the waist. It's a 4 or 5. I hope she can fit these. Then I got these. No, I didn't get these. CJ's mom got these. Taylor loves jeans with the rips. Look at y'all. Little doggy nephew. What are you doing? No. This isn't yours. And I knew you were messing with something you weren't supposed to. This is mommy's. You don't mess with my stuff from the tree. I know, y'all. I was just letting him play with the little ones over there. But he knows not to touch the ones on the big tree. Come. You better go in your cage if you don't listen. Lay down. Lay down. Okay. Give me 2 minutes. All right, y'all. So these are from the Gap, and they're super cute. It has so much character, so Taylor's gonna love that. And then this part, y'all, she's gonna love that the jeans in like this so much. Like, she knows what's up when it comes to like fashion and stuff like that, so she's gonna appreciate that. And then she has this shirt. I think this is also from Ross. She loves unicorns, and she also loves shirts that have the little tie at the bottom, so she's gonna love this. Yes, y'all, she's growing up. Taylor is growing up. So that stuff is from my mother-in-law. And then she also got Taylor this Disney Princess workout watch. I don't know if y'all know, but Taylor really enjoys working out. She runs on the treadmill. She does like full workouts with me and stuff. So she's gonna appreciate this. It shows her steps and stuff like that. And I will definitely like push her and stuff, because like I definitely look at my steps. So yesterday y'all had like 15,000 if not more steps. Today I'm only at 3,000, but y'all know I spent most of the day in the car dropping the kids off. So I love that. She's gonna love this so much. So we bought Camden a little this is so cute. Look at that little helmet. Look at that. We bought him a little bike. So this is the helmet that goes with his bike. And that's the thing about leaving this stuff in a box so long. I'm still buying stuff for them because I'm forgetting the stuff that I already got them. Like, what in the world? Okay. Shoot. Y'all know I just went to the store and bought some stuff for these kids. They got a lot. They don't need nothing else. Seriously. I'm not buying nothing else. You're not supposed to go to Target tonight. Not buying nothing else. Ooh, me and CJ might do the Target challenge tonight. Yes. Okay. So this, I got a workout outfit for my line sister, which is also Taylor's godmom. I know she enjoys working out. We both care about our health and stuff like that. I have to mail off her daughter's gift. So I was gonna send her this from Taylor, a cute little workout set. And I know this will look pretty on her skin. So I'm gonna send that to her. I wanna make sure I put it in the right box. I got me a knife set because listen, we never really had a knife set like ever. Like never. And so it's pretty pitiful, the knives that we have. Like my Nana, y'all know how grandmas are. My Nana came and stayed with us a while back, and she was like trying to cook for us, and she was like, where's your knives? And I was like, that's all we have, Nana. So it came with this cute case to go on the countertop, and then I think it also has a sharpener on it. And the knives are in here. Y'all don't need to see the knives, right? Y'all know what knives look like. So that's it. Whew. I'll probably go ahead and end the vlog here. I need to sit down and do some planning. I didn't expect this to be so long with me going through all of these boxes and stuff like that, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and thank you so much for all of the comments and all of the love and for watching the vlogs daily. Talk to y'all later.